What's going on, guys? This is James Guerrero from Nationwide Bass. I'm an aspiring audio engineer. I'm 17 years old. Today we're going to be diving into the making of the XXXtentacion Look At Me video, but this video shows Jimmy Duval, the producer of this video. Okay, so we're going to be diving into something more specific, though, is the fact that he's using a Neve compressor in this particular production of this song. Okay, so if I just scrub to the part of this song where he's demonstrating, right? So you can see here in this part of the video, he's got a UAD 1073 Neve compressor. Now, he says in this video that he is a big fan of this. No, correction. Was I saying compressor? It's not a compressor. It's just an EQ. That's all it is. But it adds a lot of warmth. And arguably, it may add some compression, but it probably doesn't, because it just adds a lot of warmth. And so what he's demonstrating in this video is, well, I'll just shut up and show you it. So
it kind of turns into a male voice, you know.
He's showing
and then after that,
sample. If you haven't heard this song, go listen to it.
Color out.
He's showing the sample that he used in the beginning of the song. So they used the sample to get the particular sound that you just heard, the do 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 do, that thing. So he's demonstrating that. He showed how he shifted the formant of that down, right? But that's not what we're focusing on. We're focusing on the Neve compressor that is seen in this video. So first thing I want to do is show you how he uses this thing. And it's not a compressor. I keep saying compressor. It's not a compressor. It's an EQ, okay? Forgive me for that. It's an equalizer. It's not a compressor. I know that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what this equalizer is doing now in this video. Okay, so we're gonna look at that right now.
I have a Neve preamp to just kind of bring some color out.
Listen.
I have a little boost at 7,000, a little pull at little dip at 22, at 220. And I cut all the low at 160 and did a little boost on the highs. You can kind of hear the with and without. That's without. That's with the harmonizer.
So he enabled the harmonizer. That's not what we're looking at, though. He's about to enable the Neve. So you heard the sound of it before the Neve's enabled, right? We'll back that up 5 seconds, and I'll play that for you, okay? We'll just back that up right here.
That's without. That's with the harmonizer. And that's with the Neve. You can hear a big difference with the Neve.
Do you hear how that brings that out like that? Whatever he's doing, he said he's doing a 7K boost of approximately, I can't see, but I think it's 3 dB. So he's boosting 7K 3 dB. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you just take a normal equalizer, that's what I'm recording this video into right now. As you can see, the bands are moving as I'm talking, right? Okay, and here's the compressor I'm using, right? So if you just take this and you just go in here, right, and you go, oh, I'm just gonna take 7K and just boost it, it probably doesn't sound that good. That would be my guess, is it probably doesn't sound that good. And especially, let's see what he did. He did about 3 dB, okay? It's standard stuff, right? It's standard to boost, that frequency range. It brings the sizzle out of the voice, out of the performer. In this case, the sample he's using, right? But what's interesting about this is he's using the Neve, okay? He's using the Neve equalizer. I'm sorry, if I keep saying compressor, just pretend I'm saying equalizer, okay? I'm saying equalizer in my head, I promise. But it's not a compressor, guys. It's an equalizer. I just want to establish that. This equalizer brings a particular sound out that puts it kind of not in your face. It doesn't put it in your face. It kind of hugs your ears a little bit. I'll play it again just so you can kind of get a vibe of what I'm doing, what he's doing in this video, what this Neve equalizer is doing in this video. Okay, so listen.
With and without. That's without. That's with.
That was the harmonizer he just enabled, okay? Harmonizer, right?
The harmonizer. And that's with the Neve. You can hear a big difference with the Neve.
You hear that? So I don't know. If you hear that, then well, that's probably why you're watching this video, because you were wondering about the Neve. But if you don't hear that, then you probably don't even know what I'm talking about. And there's doesn't make much sense to watch this video. But the Neve he's using, I don't know what Neve this is. I don't know where you get this. I'm sure it's on Waves, okay? I'm sure this thing's on Waves.
With and without.
Wave, it's a
That's without. That's with the harmonizer, and that's with the Neve. You can hear a big difference with the Neve.
It brings it out. It brings it alive. It really, without that Neve, UAD 1073, I think it is, without the Neve equalizer, that song wouldn't have hit. The beginning of that song would not have hit as heavy as it did in the final recording, okay? So it's pretty interesting stuff. I really like the UAD 1073 Neve. I'm going to try to get it soon because I do a lot of stuff. I'm going to try to put this microphone, my voice, through the Neve, see how much better it makes it sound. Because as you can see in this video, all I'm using is a basic Logic Studio FET compressor set, normal, pretty basic stuff set normally. And then I got some, basic built-in channel EQs running. And that's what you're listening to right now, okay? But we're going to get the Neve in the future, and we're going to try it out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy audio. And if you're watching this and you do like audio, please email me. Please collaborate with me because I love mixing, mastering. Not mastering so much, but I love mixing. I love audio stuff. So just, this is your place. This is James from Nationwide Bass signing off. Peace.